Hi everyone, welcome to Handicrafts A to Z channel, and in today's video we're gonna make with this beautiful band. It's called the Latvian flower pickup pattern. As you can see, these beautiful flowers, and it's formed by the simple pickup technique, and this is what we're gonna do now. So Latvian flowers band is the first pickup project that usually people start to test the technique, and here, this is what we're gonna do now. The warping is pretty simple. You can see it over here. It's 2 reds, 2 green, 2 yellow, 2 blue, 2 yellow. Then you change the order. You do 1 green, 1 yellow, 1 green, then back to reverse colors, which is 2 yellow, 2 blue, 2 yellow, 2 green, and 2 red. I will also insert the link to the pattern in the video description, so you can check it yourself, so you don't have any questions when warping. And this is what I do. The pattern is made by raising and dropping down just these 2 central green parts. These are the lines. So these are 2 greens that we are going to manipulate, is either lifting them up or dropping them down. And the process of making it is you do every 3rd row is either picking it up or dropping it down. And we will start. So this is the first pick that I have to make, and I just drop the free range warp down, and I insert the shuttle and beat it. So we got the green on top. This is the leaf part, and the next row I raise up this free, I change the shed, and this free range warp is up. And all I do, let me get it closer, like this. I pick up the threaded, the heddled 2 central greens, and I keep the shed with my fingers. I insert the shuttle and I beat. So the next pick is heddles up. Now the next one, heddle down. So you see the leaf part has formed, and we pull it and form the leaf. The next pick, for the next pick again, I separate the central 2 greens and I drop them down. I keep the shed with my fingers. Yeah, you have to use your fingers to keep the shed. In this case, with all the pickup patterns, your fingers will be the pickup stick to keep the shed properly. And got the flower center. Again, heddles down. Pull it tight, and again we're back to the leaf part. It's extremely hot. Rudy's not happy sitting outside in the greenhouse. He's just telling me that I have to go inside. So again, I pick up the green, keep the shed with my fingers, Insert the shuttle, beat hard, pull the weft, again, handles down, form the leaf, handle down, start the flower part, again handle down, handle up, and drop the greens, keep the shed, insert, done. Now as you can see, the tape is forming. If you turn it around, the pattern is identical. Just because we're manipulating with only two warp threads, where we have the threads up on the surface on the right side, on the back side we got this the weft thread forming a flower. The same thing here, we have the leaf here and the flower on the other side. So this is almost mirroring, but with some different changes. So this is it for today. Happy weaving. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.